bikomeye buretse uzurebe
byiza nta birahuri byiza bikomeye nta nzu mbona noneho reka nkumenera ibanga Crevo General Trading Limited ije ari igisubizo ku bashaka amarangi meza ya original n'ibirahuri byiza kandi bikomeye abashoramari mu by'ubwubatsi ibigo bitandukanye bacuruzi baza kenkayori abiyubakira amazu yabo bashaka kaba meza kandi akomeye ni mugane Crevo General Trading Limited turanguza tukanacuruza ibirahuri by'amoko yose turanguza tukanacuruza amarangi yose ndetse tukanakuvangira ibara ryose wifuza dukoresheje imashini zabugenewe n'abatekinisiye kabuhariwe akarusho nuko uhaye iwacu muri Crevo General Trading Limited tumusangisha ibikoresho yaguze aho ariho hose ku buntu dukorera Kicukiro Centre imbere ya Glory duhamagare kuri 0788 600 946 Crevo General Trading Limited twubaka igihugu gikeye kandi gikomeye
ayo basi iya tureba episode ya kabiri nyuma ya papa cyangwa kubwira ati ngaho bimeze biterera iya turakomereza twari turi bakise iringi utu ni twa dusizoni tw'ubwenge ndacyari number 1 Rocky Peri Noel nagafashe
ibimenya n'ibyo papa cyangwa bivuzeho
ya ati nimumenye ibyo papa cyangwa bavuzeho ni ibyamamare kabakira umwise ndaje
ibyamamare by'Ikigali n'ibimenya noneho ibyo papa cyangwa bivuzeho biriya urubanza butari bunake ibyabo byose yabishyize hanze afatiwe i Kigali mu masaha akuze atwaye imodoka ngo yanasinze kopi z'i Kigali zimubajije nyamusore umva uko yabasubije ngo erega sitati no kudutwara yakoze hiti nyinshi baramuzi Samoya ngo niyo saha atahiraho ibishegu niyo mbehe yiwariraho asabwe kugira icyo yabivugaho ngo noneho ngiye muri gakondo kurapa mw'iyi minsi ko binaniwe ukaba werekeje gukora firigo ese umuziki ntukibamo umufungo kwihangira umurimo kumbuga njyewe baranze isa na muhanzi warya hita tanze nawe ese kuhora wahisha isura aho ntiwabusa nk'igitera ngo babala icyongereza cyabo bakigiye China ngambure ku mbuga bigize rihana gusa bose bararubanye na pinya na nyenya
Previously on E-Ring.
icamake kuri E-Ring.
Second day?
umusore nibwo bwa mbere naje mu kazi turabyibuka bimeze bite rero
Your news.
yewe na Pius we ni Colonel McNulty ndetse n'ugiye kumuyobora bimeze bite rero umusore aje mu kazi
36, the official paper.
iyi bayita 136 niyo dokima ya nyuma basinya kugira ngo abasirikare berekere ku rugamba bimeze bite
Defend the constitution of the country against
abantu basaga 25 bakora muri Pentagon baba bararahiye kurinda itegeko nshinga rya Amerika. Hey,
and you
bimeze bite
whether you really want this job after all.
jya mu rugo utekereze niba ushaka no kazi cyawe utagakeneye.
Is on me.
Sunday mornings at the Pentagon, can't you just feel the love?
The security of the nation depends
umutekano wa Amerika ushingiye ku bagabo n'abagore
on the 5 rings of the Pentagon.
bakora muri 5 rings zigize Pentagon.
Before any military action can be taken anywhere in the world,
mbere yuko hagira igikorwa cya gisirikare gikorwa ahariho hose ku
the
isi
mission must be planned and approved in the outer and most important
misiyo igomba ngo kubanza igategurwa ikanemezwa mu ishami mu gace gatonya kagize Pentagon kitwa E-Ring. wakumvishije ariko E-Ring
approved in the outer and most important ring, the E-Ring.
yeah. nuko dutangiye episode yacu bimeze bite rero dore dutangiriye hano Azan Rakinzeye Imana. Hey,
Be taken
yeah.
in the world, the mission must be planned and approved in the outer and most important ring, the E-Ring.
E-Ring nuko dutangiye bimeze bite rero nuko tugatangiye turi ahitwa Kaburu mu majyaruguru ya Afghanistan mayiro 300 uvuye Kaburu barakwereka Rakimana Nzeyimana yabyutse kubita Azana n'iki abinjiye n'intwaro abinjiye gutyo turi Afghanistan nakubwiye ngo turazenguruka isi no mu Rwanda turaje tuhagere jya mbibabwira mukagira ngo ndakina kuri iyi nshuro sinjye nyine do mwaramutse bagabo
And where is your friend, man?
inshuti yanyu iri hehe
There you are,
dore ngiyo hari umukobwa uri gufotora
Tariq.
Tariq
Piece of garbage.
wa mwanda we uri gufotora hari uri gufotora hindukira useke hari umukobwa uri gufotora menye yaje kuneka ari gufotora. Hey, umunyamerika aravuga ibyongereza hano hariya ni mu barabari arafotora ari gufotora umugabo uri gusara umukobwa yitacaho umukobwa sahano yihuse katorori afata ifoto y'uriya mugabo yihuse cyane amafoto ayashyira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga ahita yohereza imbaga za gisirikare ariko amafoto yise yohereza feri ya mbere amafoto yaje hehe hakunino kuri DIA
Really cute 2-bedroom.
amafoto yise agira muri Amerika
Sounds
banone kure none siriya nzu ibyumba bibiri ayibona ute
dry cleaning. I'm in.
none si bazajya baduterera n'amapasi banatumesera byose
The damn iron.
uvura umusirikare ijye witerera ipasi
Sun City.
rwose Pentagon City
JT, you're in the Pentagon, I'm in the CIA.
ukorera Pentagon igakorera CIA urabizi ko bitemewe kuba twakundana
Well, hooking up is one thing, living together is another.
kuba twararana nk'ijoro rimwe cyabiri ntacyo bitwara ariko menye ko dukundana ni ikindi kintu bigaragara nabi maneko wa CIA kubashyira mu bikorwa noneho ba Pentagon kiba ari ikibazo uranuka
Double check.
umva neza ko nuka ntago nuka abantu umuntu abayi bari kunywa urwunge
Like 17 hours or something?
bari kumwumvisha mu kwaha katanuka
Go take a shower then.
kanjye koga baby
Hey, you want to join me?
waza twogana
I'm just trying to be polite.
ndagerageza nitware nk'umwana umeze neza ufite discipline humura ngwino uriya ajya koga katururi uyu yabitekerejeho niki ubundi wajya koga k'amasaha yo koga araye bimeze bite uyu ajya koga telefone hano
Operations Division Sergeant Pierce.
sasa uyitabye telefone hano uyu ni Sergeant Pius uvuga
What's the probability it's him?
bishoboka bingana iki ko yaba ari we
Go home and get some Z's. I'll see you back here at 0530.
jya mu rugo kugaruke saa 11 n'igice
Hold on.
Colonel Buritse
Okay, please send the photos via SIPRNet. Thank
yohereza iyo foto ye kuri Sipanet
you. A
Sipa.
CIA operative just snapped some photos of Tariq Mahani in
iyi
Uzbekistan.
foto ya Tariq mahayini barayibonye muri Uzbekistan.
Facial recognition at 60%.
Isura twayishyize mu mashini basanga ni 60% nk'aho ashobora kuba ari we. Muri iyi foto yo bayibonye bayishyira kuri facial recognition bakareba nimba ko ari we bari bafite muri system bari guhiga. Bahise bazakurira.
And too damn kind, kid.
Egyptian born, received his doctorate from MIT at the ripe old age of 22. That's impressive.
Ati uwo musore turi guhiga Tariki ni ukorera ibisasu bya kirimbuzi Osama bin Laden.
Carry this where I go.
Turi foto ya Tariki ari kumwe na Osama bin Laden.
For 3 years.
Maze imyaka 3 ndi kumuhiga Tariki.
He only stays in one
Physicist.
8 hours.
Wahatari.
Let's go whack that son of a bitch.
Reka tugende yonyana yimbwa tuyifate. Tariki ni ukorera ibisasu byibi.
Litter, his cell phone, his laptop.
Nah, it's too damn.
Ntabwo byashobora ko bagera kuri telefone ye laptop ye.
3 or 4 bodyguards with him all the
Uwo mugabo agira abarinzi bagera kuri 3 cyangwa 4 bahorana nawe buri munsi.
For milk.
Fine, if you think you can do it, show me.
Nimba uzi uburyo twakoramo ku kazi binyereke.
Your old unit, they're still in Afghanistan, correct?
Yes, sir, but they're scheduled to be rotated home tomorrow, Colonel.
Hari ikipe iri muri Afghanistan yagomba kuzaza ejo.
It's already, sir.
Twabatinze bagashimuta icyo kibe bakakizana.
AT, your mission, your unit, I get it.
Iyi misiyo ni yawe na unit yari yawe.
This is the drill.
Nimba abasirikare bari inshuti zawe bagumisha niyo bagomba kuzana icyo kihebe. Katururi. Nuko tugatangiye. Iringi. Iyi ni episode ya 2. Hey! Benjamin Bratti yarutse nka JT. Bimeze bite? Hari ikipe y'abasirikare yagombaga kuva kuri misiyo kuri abavuga ati abasirikare b'u Rwanda bazava kuri misiyo wenda umunsi y'unuyu bagiye kuba babatindije abasirikare muri Afghanistan ngo banze bafate icyo kihebe bakizane. Twa Tariki.
Don't tell me you need me to draft a joint task force 136.
Utambwira ko ukeneye guhamagara abasirikare none ngo basinye cya gipapuro cy'ijana kimwe cyemera abantu kujya ku rugamba.
To learn how to type one of these yourself?
Oh, I got the home row down pat. Check this out. ASDFG.
Ibyo binange nabikora ASD dore kumwira ko nabazi gukoresha imashini.
Do me a favor now. Pass me through to Central Command.
Ibyo bintu binkorere.
All right, thank you very much. Talk to you later. All right, bye.
Menyesha abafande bose bo hejuru ko twabonye ikibi twahigaga. Hari inama igomba kubanza igaterana muri Iringi mbere yo kwagira igikorwa cya gisirikare gikorwa. Tuvuye hariya tugaruke Kabul muri Afghanistan. Bagram Air Base ni ibirindiro by'abasirikare bihari. Katururi.
Wilkerson.
Hey,
Wilkerson.
again, the air conditioning holding up.
Ikirere cyaho kimeze gute?
Sharpen those pencils, empty those trash cans.
Man, imyenda ibiri kutuvamo kubera ubushyuhe.
Oh boy.
Pentagon ibite.
A minute.
Yeah, I bet. Hey, you get the intel on the party?
I did.
Mama makuru y'ibirori mwadutegure byo kutwakira ko tugiye gutaha. Mva muvandi. N'abasirikare baragiye gutaha. Tugiye kubatinzaho.
You putting us on alert, stud?
Man, mugiye kudutinza hano bari bagiye gutaha kumwe abasirikare bavuga ati dusubiye mu Rwanda cyangwa se dusubiye mu gihugu cyacu. Bagiye kuba batindije baboneye indi misiyo aho.
Mission, I want you to execute it.
Hari misiyo mugomba gukora.
I'm sorry about the delay, Bobby. I know you were looking
Bare kwangukereje Bobby.
kids.
Ndabizi umugore wawe n'umwana bashaka gutaha vuba.
Well, a few more days aren't gonna kill us.
Iminsi mikenya tugumya no kuri misiyo n'ubundi ntacyo yadutwara reka tugume hano.
He's got this big welcome home party planned. I don't want
Mu rugo bari baneguriye ibirori.
Cadillac's dropping to the bad news. Things are
Kandi famiye yanjye n'ubundi bayanandakara ivuga ngo nagiye iki kinini.
soldier. Bad husband.
Nubwo ndi umusirikare mwiza ariko ndi umugabo mubi mu rugo. Ndetse n'umwana wanjye simbonera umwanya ngo murere.
You're a good husband and a good dad. You know how I know? My old man was neither.
Uri umupapa mwiza kuko nanjye papa wanjye yari umusirikare kandi ntiyatuboneraga umwanya ariko twebwe tuzi ko ari kurwanira igihugu.
Things over with Beth. You ready?
Ndajya kubwira Betty umugore wawe.
I am always ready.
Twe duhora twiteguye nk'abasirikare. Misiyo nimba ibonetse ni ukuyikora. Bari bagiye gutaha indege yari bategereje ngo batebese babwira ati mwe mugumyaho. Tubonye ikebe cyahigoga cyitwa Tariki.
On our hand,
Bibaze ko no mu rugo ngo bari babateguriye ibirori.
apparently a French environmental protest ship is playing chicken with one of our nuclear aircraft carriers.
I thought that sucker was a
Ati hari amato y'abafaransa
Ugly.
ari mu Butaliyani. Abataliyani basaze bari kuvuga ati ubwo bwato bushobora kuba bufite ibisasu bya kirimbuzi.
More importantly, we've had a joint naval exercise
Ikindi nawe ufite amato yanyu aho ngaho.
here now.
a French protest boat, an Italian port.
Ibaza amato y'abafaransa ari kwigaragambya ngo ku mwaro w'abataliyani ngo ni mu matware yabo.
Sir, this is the E-ring.
Uyu ni Iringi.
Anywhere in the world where special forces is needed, they
Iyo habaye ikibazo hirya no hino ku isi special forces zacu zikenewe nitwe tugikora.
carrier around that environmental barge without kicking up too much of a ruckus.
Affirmative, sir.
All right, we'll call down the NATO liaison office,
Hamagara abantu bose bagize NATO
Francois, to drop his escargot and get his butt in.
ndetse uhamagara umugingo uhagarariye Ubufaransa muri iki gihugu ahita aza hano ni ukumutuka nyine adahari.
They are ready to move on our command.
All right, maybe
Abasirikare biteguye gukora icyo dushaka.
put some fingerprints on this body. The pros of this mission are first and foremost, prevent nuclear proliferation.
Do. Uyu yaramusetse uburyo yandikisha imashini nuko udonda.
Sergeant, while we're doing this, get our Ghazi on the horn.
Mugihe turi gukora ibihamagara Alikazi.
Need his chop.
Mubwire ko tumukeneye nona. Alikazi na fandi.
Hey, Beatrice, will you please tell Mr.
Yuni Beatrice.
McNulty's ready?
Pius.
What? I told you to call me, B.
Nakubwiye ngo umamagara ataragenda one.
Leaving for the night. I'll try to catch.
Urabizi ngo aragireka muhagarike. Alikazi aragiye kandi ni wa fandi ni wa mwirabura. Aragiye kumukurikira atarasohoka muri Pentagon. Hari misiyo ibonetse agomba kuyisinya akemeza nimba ibintu bikorwa.
Sergeant Pierce.
Uramuke Sergeant Pius. Niyo yorushe kumuhagarika.
Sir, we just received a critical report from Uzbekistan.
Kwakira report ya Uzbekistan.
For a quick brief.
Turagukeneye.
Priority meeting with the British ambassador in
Lift inama yihutirwa.
Coordinate with Beatrice to push it, sir, if you don't mind.
What is our confidence in the intelligence?
Ayo makuru dufitanga niki? 60%.
And it's very dicey with all these basing right.
60% niyo babashe kuba scanning bamenya ko iyo sura ariyo kikiye bari guhiga.
Perfect. We're going this way.
Thank you, sir.
Sawa. Isakata. Nimba ifoto wabonye yikiye bigaragaza ko ari 60% bahamya ko ari cyo.
Sorry when you in like this, sir, but I knew you'd want to know his.
It's okay. 60% on Tariq is the best.
60% kuri Tariq ubwo nibyo.
Evening.
Haruwinji.
Samantha Liston.
Banyita Samantha Liston.
Hey, Sonny is in the.
Cyangwa ukanyita Sonny.
Muhammad Ali.
Sam is the Deputy General Counsel to the Department of Defense.
Uyu nguyu ni wagarira ibintu byose bijyanye n'amategeko muri Pentagon.
Or special ops.
Niwe tugira inama mu by'amategeko mbere yuko tugira operation imwe dukora.
Or should I just call you Hey You?
Wewe ufite izina ra?
James Tisnowski.
Banyita Major James Tisnowski. Tisnowski.
Funny, you don't look Polish.
Ubwo udasanga abanyepolande.
Because I'm pretty sure my old man said he escaped from Poland when he was 6.
Kwanjye yambwiye ko yavuye Polande.
Had me.
Ahurira na mama hano barambyara.
No, not at the moment, but if I do.
Bwira ibindo ya.
Okay.
Okay.
So I take it this is about the alleged sighting of.
Izere komisiyo mugiyeho.
Pakistan?
That's affirmative.
Bamuha raporo. Uyu nubagira inama mbere yuko bagira igikorwa bakora n'umunyamategeko hano. Badakora ikosa.
60% probability it's him isn't very real.
60% ntabwo bishoboka ko uyu mugabo ushobora no gusanga atari we. Bafotoye umuntu utari wari uwo basa.
We don't want to waste our resources on.
Ntabwo dushaka kwangiza imbaraga zacu.
It's him.
Ushobora gusanga ari umuntu ni we.
Close personal friend of yours, Major.
Ni inshuti yawe muraziranye icyo kibe ku buryo ureba ifoto ukamenya ko ari cyo.
Shooted us for the past 3 years because he's.
Yaramaze imyaka 3 ataboneka.
He used his cell phone last night at 22:25.
Ikindi ari gukoresha telefone saa 4 na saa 11:20.
Times our satellites can't pick up the call.
Ari cyo gihe satellite zacu muri Amerika ziba zitari gufata amajwi ya hariya. Bisobanuye ko ibyo ari ibintu yigishwe na Bin Laden niwe wundi ngo ubizi ibyo.
We're not the police.
Ntabwo turi abapolisi twe.
He assisted the Chechens in that preschool bloodbath in Russia. He helped the Iranians.
Uyu mugabo yemaze abantu mu Burusiya. Muri Irani. Niwe muntu uri gukora ibisasu bihambaye bya kirimbuzi 96 niwe wabikoraga.
Pakistan is one of our few friends in the region.
Come on now.
Uzbekistan ntabwo ari inshuti yacu kira gihugu.
Interests. And right now it's in our
twe ntabwo dukeneye inshuti dukeneye inyungu.
So we can prevent a future attack on our citizens.
Major.
Nimba rero biri mu nyungu zacu kuba twafatura mugabo.
An Italian judge just issued arrest warrants for 13 CIA agents because they kidnapped a sheik.
Ubutaliyani bwamaze gutanga ibirego bigira ku bakozi bacugera kuri 13 ba CIA kubera gukora muhubutse gutyo.
Samantha. Thank you for coming down.
Urakoze kubw'inama tugiri. Uyu ni umunyamategeko arabwira ati ni mukuri icyo gikorwa mushobora kugira mugasanga uwo muntu atari Tariq atari cyo cyo mushaka igihugu kikaba cyarakara ngo mwakigiriye mu kindi bakabarakarira.
In the building a little more respect and a little less familiarity.
Uriya mugore wasubiza uko ubiboneye numwe mu bagore bakomeye muri iyi nyubako cy'umwubaha.
Record. One no does not mean you give up. You dig deeper and you keep it low.
Umva mu bikore mwibanga mukomeze muperereze turebe ko byazamuka niyo 60% gusa tumenye kuri ya muntu ari Tariq.
Help on your people skills.
Musore ndabona ngiye kukugira inama z'uburyo uzajya witwara ku bantu.
How about Tony Robbins?
She didn't recognize me, sir.
Uyu mugore ntago yanyibutse kandi turaziranye. Uyu ufuye hano umunyamategeko.
Must have been those 3 martinis. Or it could have been the beard.
Ariko kera nari mfite ubwanwa niyo mpamvu atanyibutse. Utambwira ko mwaryamanye wa musore we.
Sir, it wasn't like that at all.
Ntago byari byo gukundana nyine ariko uriya mugore ngiye ni iki. Kumbe uriya mugore w'umunyamategeko hano n'uyu musore baraziranye umusore yanirwanyeho ni iki.
It's like Al Ghazi said, one no doesn't mean anything.
He said,
buriya umuntu aguhakaniye rimwe nta kintu biba bisobanuye.
Sir, if we can get better facial recognition on the target, get some years on his cell phone.
icyo tugiye gukora tugiye kohereza abasore bacu bagende bakure neza isura n'uriya kiriya kiba cyegereye tumenye neza buri isura barayifata bakayishyira kuri facial recognition bakamenya turiya muntu kuko ni Rocky 100%. iyo bagufotoye nabi hari igihe bigaragaza ko ari nka 60% uriya muntu ashobora kuba ari we. iyo bafotoye neza biba no 100%.
The French protest ship is not going away by osmosis, sir.
uhagarariye abafaransa nta nagari bitaboneka nona.
Wales or something. Just out of curiosity, Major, how are you planning to extract Tariq out of the country?
uri gupanga gute gukura Tariq ubundi mu gihugu? twakoresha
From the Green Berets with John Wayne.
twakoresha Phaeton. abyandi byo muri Green Beret ni film.
Why didn't you tell me that?
utari wabimbwiye. ni uburyo nanone bakoresha indege kazi kaguterura.
Just out of college, he's the NSA liaison. I think his name is...
gendera kana kitwa Frank ka NSA kari bugufasha.
What you can about Tariq from him. Get back to me.
kurura amakorere yose wabona Tariq tumuzane.
Low, fly into that radar, son.
ndetse tugurukire hasi ya radari mbega babikore mwibangure ya mugore umunyamategeko atamenya ko bagikomeje kuneka Tariq.
How are you?
Greg bit
JT.
bayita JT James Tyson Whiskey aba yabihinya kita JT.
Okay, Major. How are you?
Not too good.
Mr.
The Joint Staff needs NSA help.
Yene bufasha bwa NSA.
Okay.
Okay.
We need you to run a time-sensitive signal intelligence tasker for collection against an HVT in Uzbekistan.
HVT.
hari amakuru dushaka kudukurikira HVT.
Yeah.
High value target.
He's using a...
igipimo cya tari bari guhiga kiri hari.
You can track the sequence number.
nimba umugabo afite akoresha telefone ushobora kuhakura sequence za sim card ye.
You went to MIT, right?
wize MIT sibyo?
So did he.
n'uwo mugabo niho yize.
Francis.
itandukaniro ni turi umugabo uri gushaka.
Bin Laden put together radiological isotopes.
niwe mugabo uri gufasha Bin Laden kuba bakora ibisasu bya hatari ndetse no kuba tutabasha kumukura ngo tumenye hari nicyo cye bari guhiga. urumva ni umuntu wa hafi ufasha Bin Laden kuba Bin Laden baramubuze.
Liaison officer who tasked the system who helped apprehend this one-of-a-kind dirtball.
I might be very interested, Major. Tell me.
ngawe mbwira.
What's in it for me?
genda ungukira he ningufasha.
Style, kid.
munze style wa mwana.
The night, Major?
uri gukora ijoro Major. wa mugore w'umunyamategeko amenye ko bakomeje gukora ikazi yaba bujije.
Tonight just killed?
Negative, ma'am.
misiyo nangije uri kugerageza kwizura.
Here on that French vessel block.
oya twe turi kuganira kuri ariya mato y'abafaransa ari mu Butaliyani.
Just in this carrier would be what, Major? It's all about lies and deceit with you special forces guys, isn't
ni
it?
bya bindi byanyu ba special force mwakunda kubeshya. aho mugiye hose nibyo mukoze murabeshya.
I'm not sure I understand, ma'am.
ibyo uvuga ntago mbyumva.
Stop calling me ma'am.
kandi urikiro kunyita mabusha.
What should I call you?
wite ngo iki?
And Samantha, even Sonny.
unyite Samantha cyangwa Sony.
I think I can handle that.
ibyo ntago bigoye.
Good.
byiza.
Do you think you can handle the fact that if you ever try to backdoor a mission on me again, you'll be fired?
nimenya kuri gukora misiyo nakubabujije ndakwirukana.
See why I couldn't?
sinzi impamvu natuma nkora ibintu wambujije ariko uramuki. uyu mukobwa ngo baraziranye. sorry.
For the record, I prefer the beard.
nagukunda gugifite ubwanwa nibwo bwakuberaga. kumba umukobwa aramwibuka nubwo uyu musore avuga ngo umukobwa ntamwibuka umukobwa aramwibuka. niyo mpamvu umukobwa yanamurakariye ngo mugenda mubeshya mugeze hose ba special force. uriya musore menya yarigeze kumubeshya kera kirwanaho akahita yimanukira n'iki n'iki.
Waiting too long.
atamubeshya.
A great suit. Is that Armani?
Colonel.
wambaye ikote ryiza iryo ni Armani. umenya ubwoko bw'imyenda cyangwa se bw'aba design.
We need the help of the French government with...
maze ibintu by'imyenda mumbabarire.
Colonel McNair.
ko nanjye mbanze ubwenge bundi.
As I told your secretary, you need to take this up with Italian authorities.
umva ubuyobozi bw'Ubutaliyani bushireho igitutu bukura amato yabo hariya. sasa Ubutaliyani n'Ubufaransa bafitanye ikibazo.
She's not a secretary.
uyu cyambere ni Pius ntago ari secretary wanjye.
Is French owned and French crew
ayo matara aho ngaho ni ay'Abafaransa na cruise yirimo n'iz'Abafaransa.
conducting a very important mission with NATO.
ndetse ayo mato yaragiye muri misiyo ikomeye cyane ya NATO n'Uburusiya.
The last time I checked, we were still allies.
kandi ubwo mperuka mwebwe Abafaransa turafatanije.
And you know it.
Of course I do. But it's important that I take certain steps prior to taking potential decisions.
mbere na mbere turabanza tumenye ni bande bari mu nzira nzima mbere yuko dufata umwanzuro nka Amerika yaba ari Ubufaransa cyangwa Ubutaliyani. gusa wakoze.
Enjoy your evening.
wishimira umugoroba wawe. turabanza tubikurikirane tumenye bimeze biti. ntago ari uguhubuka. uyacaho muzehe.
Charlie.
Charlie.
Fill out in requisition from the mess hall.
Charlie Papata ngo ubwo ni kapiteni nicyo yarashatse kuvuga. Charlie Papata karame.
Nah, that's probably not the best time. I'll let JT handle it. Good idea.
Tureke JT yabyiteho n'abasirikare bari hano. Bari kunywa urwungi.
It's a lot, you know. Soccer, ballet. You love the kids, right? You love Beth.
Man, nkunda umugore wanjye Betty, nkunda abana banje.
Who am I gonna cheat with? You.
Ntabwo ujya ubaca inyuma se, nabaca inyuma kuri ndetse sha muri ubu butayi. Niko umugabo avuga, nabaca inyuma umugore wanjye, nahuriye he n'ininja.
You get our marching orders yet?
Of course not. They spend all their time worrying about making the right decision.
As opposed to what?
Making a decision, making it right.
Man, you gotta be driving them insane.
Oh, they're not happy with me at all.
Hano ntago banyishimiye mwana.
Tell us we're not coming home. So what now?
Uraza kuduhamagara tubwire igihe tuzira mu rugo.
Look, we hit a little speed bump, that's it.
Ibintu ntabwo biri kugenda nk'uko twabishakaga.
Get this guy.
Gusa uyu musore turi bumubone Tariq nicyo kihebe. Uwo ninde?
Tariq Mahani.
Yitwa Tariq Mahani.
The bastard sells out a new cookbooks to third world.
Uwo mugenga ni uri kugurisha ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. Anabikora.
For a snatch and grab, Fulton style.
Ndagira ngo mugende mufate mu muzane.
Man, I thought we couldn't do that on human beings anymore.
Oh, this scumbag ain't human.
Murakoresha ya system yo gukoresha indege kamuterura ari hasi indege idaparitse ku butaka. Mukamuzana.
Did it play dress up?
Ndagira ngo mwambare.
Coach?
Sorry, brother. I need you to prep the crew.
Ndagira ngo utegure crew yawe.
Dad, roger that.
Turabyumva.
Talk to Beth yet?
Wavuganye n'umugore wanjye umubwire ko nagitashye.
Oya. JT, I need you, man.
Mwana ndagukeneye ikintu ubwire umugore wanjye ko leta yanindije hari akandi kazi yampaye nagitashye. N'abasirikare bagomba kuva kuri mission. JT.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya mwana ndabibwira umugore wawe kutagitashye. Urumva umugore bavuga ati umugabo wanjye azava kuri mission bateguye n'akarori ko kumwakira. Kumbe babigije inyuma iminsi akazi kabonetse. Yesu aza hano bamutumye. Tubateguye ibirori mu rugo. Welcome home. Yashanu ni mu rukerera. Kingano. Don.
Oh my God!
Mana yanjye JT. Tururi.
Early for our party.
Can I get ahead?
Kubangutse mu kirori.
Bobby's okay, right?
Oh yeah, no, he's.
Mugabo wanjye mizi sawa Bobby. Mizi sawa.
Just talked to him a couple hours ago.
Hashize nk'amasaha abiri tuvuganye.
John, I heard about the
wagiye Pentagon. Station hano barakuzamuye we yavuye kurwanira kuri terror Pentagon.
So what's up?
Ni ibiki?
It's
Ni.
Well, it's gonna be a few more days, Beth.
Agiye kumara indi minsi mike nyakiri.
Just a few more days.
Indi minsi mike.
I've heard that one before. That's a good one.
Beth,
JT, do you know?
Urabizi JT?
How long it's been since we've seen him?
Uzi igihe tumaze tubona umugabo wacu ari kuri mission yanyu?
Year and a half.
Umwaka n'igice.
Do you know how long that is?
I do.
Uzi burya ari birebire?
No, you don't.
Ntabyo uzi.
The army is your life.
Kubera ko yewe umugore wawe nawe ntago ari umusirikare uya Kingano.
And here you are.
None uri hano.
Best friend.
Inshuti ye magara.
Off where he could be.
No mwohereje kuri mission yindi ishobora no kumwicisha.
Before the army, just once.
Byibura nanjye muzajye munshyira imbere nk'umugore mbere yuko mushyira igisirikare imbere.
Oh, if you strings, JT.
JT ubwo umumariye iki nimba uri inshuti uri muri Pentagon utanamufasha ngo atahe.
You say.
Biroroshye kubivuga.
You're safe.
Umeze neza nta ribi.
Kids.
You know.
Nta n'abantu ufite.
Bobby in a second if I could.
Oh God.
Urumva nagurisha inshuti yanjye.
You guys.
Basore.
You are all the same.
Mwese mumeze kimwe.
I mean, I guess this time.
Kuri iyi nshuro byibura.
Out there.
Umugabo wanjye napfa.
Blame.
Nzaba mfite uwo nzabishyiraho wabitiye nzavuga ko ari wowe. Niwo musubije kuri mission yaragiye kwitahira. Apfuye nzavuga ko ari wowe. Umve kandi ikibazo. Yeah.
You okay?
Meze neza.
What's wrong?
I was thinking about that time I sent you into that church down in Bogota. How scared I was, because I almost got you killed.
uribuka ubwo wari uri muri Bogota bakoresheje nari mfite ubwoba ko wapfuye.
Come home tomorrow.
Poppy yagombaga gutaha ejo avuye.
Back out.
None namwohereje ngasubire kuri misiyo.
It's just weird.
Biratangaje.
I never second guessed myself before I got to the Pentagon.
Sinigeze nekereza bwa kabiri njya Pentagon.
Thought about the wives.
Sinigeze nekereza ku mfu z'abasirikari zizaba n'abagore babo. Nzaba ndi kohereza abasirikari ngo bajye ku rugamba kuko none ubu ngo bari gukora ahantu. Bimusaba kohereza abasirikari ati mujye hano. We yarazi ko abo bantu aribo bakora akazi koroshye kumbe nibo bakora akazi gakomeye kuko abakohereje avuga ati ubuse agiriye ikibazo bamurashe famiye ye. Ntabwo yabyoroshye.
When it comes down to planning and executing actions, you're the best. So
iyo bigeze mu gutegura misiyo uwa mbere.
push yourself from all this personal crap.
Tangira wikore ibyo byiyumviro bisanzwe ukora akazi kawe. Baguhaye akazi kuko bazi ko gashoboye. Uburyo yoherezamo abasore ku rugamba n'uburyo bakurayo. Ibyo kumva utangiye guhangayika hanga imiryango y'ibyo byikure mu mutwe. Yeah.
How we doing, Greg? Yes.
Mr. Greg, Yashan.
I actually think we found something here. As soon as my boss verifies this.
Verify nothing. I told you this thing is time sensitive, which means I don't have any.
Umva nakubwiye ngo ntacyo umanza kuverifiyamo ikintu cyo cy'ingenzi hano.
Okay.
Okay. Reba. Hari icyo yamweretse. Uyu yari hano. Isazana. Umusaza yumva ibiririmbo bibi.
Colonel.
Colonel.
Security agencies traced a phone call that Tariq made to Osama Al-Fidel.
Tariq na Osama Al-Fidel bavuganye.
Iraq. Now, sir, call me crazy, but I think Tariq might be planning to use a nuke against our troops.
Ushobora kunyita umusazi ariko menya Tariq hari igikorwa kibari gupanga ku basirikare bacu.
Iraq after all.
Nimba bagiye guturitsa ahantu hanini bishobora no kugera muri Iraq.
This mission is dead and Tariq gets a pass unless we can.
Iyi misiyo nipfa Tariq ari buducike. Keretse tubashe kuba twamufotora tukagaragariza abayobozi bacu ko isura y'ibyiburigeze kuri 80% ari we. Barakwereka wa musirikare twabonye.
Let's give us the evidence we need.
Iyo foto turayikeneye mu mufotore mumwegereye Tariq.
48 hours in our window of opportunity.
Uwo mugabo ntago ajya aguma ahantu hamwe iminsi irenze 2. Ari uwasha guhunga Tariq. Aramugunga. We mureke kumukubita ikintu cyacebe Tariq.
We'll never get another shot at this.
Naramuka bacetse umusore aramufotora. Uyu arafotora. Uriya ni ukumutunga akantu uyu mukobwa agakanda. Dore ngo baramufotora bamwegereye. Kugira bereke abayobozi babo noneho ko ifoto igeze kuri 80% cyangwa se 100%. Cyeba gifotoye bacyegereye. Ifoto bahise bazano. Iyo foto nigera kuri 80% bigaragara ko ari Tariq. Turajya kumufata bamufotoye bamwegereye.
Once word gets out he's gone, the rats will scatter into the shadows.
Uwo mugabo naramukama abacetse turahita tumura irengero nta nuzigira amenye aho yaciye.
Need to make this look like a disappearance.
Niyo mpamvu umugabo tugomba kumucikana bikitwa ko yabuze ntawe umenya aho yanyuze. Abarinzi b'icyo kiye bakunda kugisiga mu gitondo iyo kigiye gusenga nibwo abarinzi bakiva iruhande kibyuka gisari. Niyo masaha turi bugifatire. Iyo misiyo ni muyijyo turaza gukenera abaganga.
I want to defibrillate.
Icyo kibe tugikenera ari kizima.
The heart attack, I want him revived.
Ku buryo kigize ikibazo bahita banakivura.
On board an Amina team who speaks Arab, Egyptian, and Chechen to support the interrogators.
Ndetse dukeneye umuntu uvuga Icyarabu, Igiceceni.
Only have an hour to exploit him. So when he sings, and he will, I'll have teams ready to make arrests wherever in the world they may be. Most importantly, when you interrogate him, we got to do it right. So he gets.
Ndetse ni umuhati ibibazo mubikore neza cyane.
Or you can take it.
Tatururi. Usura tanze raporo yose uko bigomba kugenda.
Operations Division Sergeant Pierce.
SOD ni Sergeant Pius.
Hello, General Fink.
General Fink. Mubwire ko ntahari bwira General ko ntahari.
He's out and about.
Ntawe uhari yagiye.
I be of some service to you.
Nabafasha uyu ni secretary we. Bira bintu kumbe bahubwira mubwire ko ntahari. Ni colonel arabwira secretary ngo bwira General ko ntahari. General amenye ko wamubeshya kurusha ipeti afande wawe ahari.
Yes.
Nikamfori.
Take care of this French hippie ship.
Yaragiye kubwira ngo itakuri ibyo bibazo by'abafaransa.
Isn't the USS Abraham Lincoln transporting a
ubwato bwita Abraham Lincoln
helicopter?
Ese bwo ntago ari bwo bwikorera akajugujugu zanyu yego.
Force.
Nabwo ntago buri muri ayo mazi. Ushaka kuvuga iki?
A scuba team, sir.
Ntago bafite scuba teams. Yaba ariyo dukoresha. Yego. Winjiye. Injira.
Receive photos of Tariq.
Amafoto ya Tariq twayabonye.
90%.
None isura igeze kuri 90% kariwe.
Cause.
Sir, we need to move on this now.
So,
dufite kwita dukora akazi nona.
Director of the Joint Staff.
Hamagara Director of Joint Staff.
Immediately.
Witusaba inama nona. Hey, inama igomba kubanza igaterana muri iyi ringi.
Ready, Major.
Reka twizere ko yiteguye Major.
Boiled ham, Colonel.
Mani nashyushye ahubwo nahiye. Umusore ni mushya mu kazi ariko arakora cyane. Kazi karakaza.
Listen, before we go in here, I want you to understand.
Mbere ko twinjira hagiye kubera inama n'uyu arimo ni wa mwavoka baranaryaamanyeho. Uyu mugore aba yanamurakariye.
Talk about you and me.
Simvuga ku byanjye nawe.
Speak, Major.
Vuga Major.
Over 2nd, 2001.
Ibihumbi 2001.
To my life.
Ubwo twararanaga byaranshimishije.
Because 40% of my entire unit was involved in dismantling 40,000 Taliban.
You think by telling me this, by putting on some
Cheka kumbwira bino se biri buze gutuma abasore bawe mbakurayo. Nako iyo misi itaba.
I'm not trying to win a damn thing. I just want to make sure that your decision making isn't influenced by personal.
Nagira ngo umwanzuro uza gufata nuze kubura umwanzuro ushingiye ku byabaye hagati yanjye nawe. Nimba twararyaamanyeho nkahita nigendera sinkukomeze kugukunda. Nuze gufata umwanzuro umeze nk'uri kumpima bibangamira igihugu cyose.
Called a prayer. The team will be on the target no more.
Turashaka kuza gufata uwo musore.
Plan is to grab him.
Muri ya minota 5 ari buze kuba ari gusenga. Abarinzi b'icyo kibe nibwo bagisize cya tariki.
Prayer are prime fishing times. And regardless of
ayo masani yo turi bumuroberi arabwira abashenerali.
And they pale in comparison to what might happen if we do nothing.
That's all well and good, Major, but I stand by what I said before. This is
Jemagarari ibyo navuze na mbere.
The international politics of this government.
Iki kintu mugiye gukora ni igikorwa.
Ms. Liston, what
kiteme mbega ni cyamuzamahanga.
Nations declarative policy is preventing the proliferation of nuclear weapons. And right now that proliferation
mugabari w'umuntu dukeka ari gukorera ibisasu bya kirimbuzi birabyihebe.
Flag and doesn't mind killing Americans.
Major, there are 3 armed bodyguards around him at all times.
Uriya mugabo agira abarinzi bagera muri 3.
Local populace and the notoriously unpredictable Uzbeki security services.
Ndetse n'abasirikare muri Uzbekistan tuzi nimba bashobora kutabyivangamo bakamufasha.
It's whether that gain justifies the risk of
reka turebe inyungu ziri hano leta ya Amerika yakungukira mu gufata uwo mugabo.
Best friends' lives on the line for this.
Ubuzima bw'inshuti zanjye magara buri mu kangaratete. Gufata uyu mugabo.
It's an issue of pay me now or pay me later, because if we don't act now, we will pay later.
Ni tudafata iki cyebe none tuzabyicuza nyuma.
Raiders now.
Icyo nababwira.
Point, it is the point. It's what we do. We understand the risk. We know that.
Icyo dukora no kubanza tukiyumvisha ingaruka zishobora kumukuba icyo cyebe tutagifashe. Ingaruka cyazaduteza nyuma.
As long as you understand.
We mu gihe ubyumva.
Gets a vote, son.
Yes, sir. How do you plan to get him out of the country?
Uri gupanga gute kwa mukura rero?
Recovery systems.
Fulton recovery system. Your system ntago bano bayizi.
The Fulton recovery system.
Fulton recovery system.
It's from the Green Berets with John Wayne.
Yeah, indeed John Wayne yakoresheje muri film.
Did you come up with that one, Eli?
Ibyo bintu bitekereje ute?
It's old school technology, Mr.
Technology ya kera.
Sit with the Air Force down at Bragg.
But it's a movie.
Ibyo bintu muri kuvuga ni byo mu film.
Terry already has enough marble in it for my taste.
Mr. Chairman, given the severity of the situation, it's the cleanest option.
Ubwo nibwo buryo bwonyine dushobora kuzamuramo icyo kibe. Sasa ikibe hari uburyo bumwe bwo kugifata ariko kugisohora mu gihugu n'ubundi buryo. Barashaka gukoresha uburyo bwo indege itari buhagarare ku butaka kandi gafata ikibe bikagikomezanya. Ibyo bintu barabikora gute? Fulton recovery system. Iyo system sinzi kishoboka. Indege idaparitse ku butaka kandi gatwara umuntu.
Is to figure out if the President of the United States can stand on the south lawn of the White House on a Sunday afternoon.
Ese igikorwa nitugikora kikanga. President wa Amerika zahagarara akijustify avuga ati burya nta ribi.
The answer to that question.
Igisubizo ni
would be yes.
Okay, ndabyemeye. Uyu mukobwa yarafite akantu k'ingingimira ko gushaka urwanya umusore avuga ngo uriya musore twaranaryamanye ayitanyanga. Dore cya gipapuro bita 136 bashe kugisinya. Nicyo gipapuro gisinywaho 136 n'abajenerali bakomeye abayobozi bakomeye muri iringi mbere yuko hagira igikorwa cyemerwa. Sasa bashe kwicara hano ntabwo ari ibintu biba byoroshye. Iringi ricara igategura baracyari mu muteguro. Katururi do abavuye gusinya n'abayobozi.
As chairman of the Joint Chiefs, my job is to ask the hard questions.
Akazi kanjye no kubaza ibibazo bikomeye.
The gain.
Andeba ingaruka n'inyungu twabona.
Your job is to plan for the worst.
Namwe akazi kanyu no gutegura ibintu bizima no kuba mwiteguye ibibi byavamo.
Go kick ass.
Mugende mukubita utubuno tw'abakaritas. Ko ni general Wokikas. Udutafari twarabaginga nibagende badutimbure bimanukira n'iki. Basuri mukoresha umutwe wanyu.
Just get the hell out of there.
Basuri turi ngaho bashe.
You listen to Celine Dion?
Mari byakugendekeye gute?
I'll listen to Ricky Martin's greatest.
Maze iminsi numva indirimbo za Ricky Martin.
I'm gonna hold you to that one.
Good, you do that. Hey, I'll talk to you later, all right?
Turavugana nyuma.
JT.
Bari kuganira ku ndirimbo.
You man.
Ndagukunda G. Yari umusirikare mugenzi wabo nuko bamuzamuye asigari Pentagon.
Tough adjustment, isn't it, kid? not leading from the front.
wa musore ndabizi biba bikugoye kuba utari kuyoborera imbere abasore bawe ubusanzwe yabayoboraga ari kumwe n'abababwira ati duce hano none ari kubayoborera kuri telefone buriya nimba ari ikintu kibi nukuyoborera kuri telefone buriyo wibereye ahantu nk'umuyobozi ibintu bigenda nk'uko bishaka umusore rero bayumva adatekanye.
And we have good men dying for
tuba dufite abasore beza abagabo beza bagiye gupfira ku rugamba bapfiriye impamvu y'ubugoryi nk'iriya. Ntabwo biba byoroshye kohereza abasore ku rugamba nubwo arabavuga ngo umuntu wese akaba yicaye muri office atubwira ngo tugende buriya hari igihe ari ubuhangayitse cyane avuga turiya mwana gusa ntakunda avuga ati famiye ye nawe abahangayitse yataye n'umutwe. Icyebe mu gitondo nikijya gusenga nibwo bagifata mu gitondo abana bahageze kijya gusenga bagifata bya bindira kiyabyuka ngo nkwe ngagiye gusari nibwo bazamushimuta. Niyo mpamvu icyebe uretse gatoye
Hold up.
memuritse
He's not praying.
icyebe uyu munsi ntabwo kiri busenge Tariki uyu munsi ntabwo ari busenge misiyo Tariki ari mu nzira agenda nyagasani icyebe bari bazi ko kiri busenge mu gitondo kumva uwo munsi cyasibye ari kumanuka kuri esikariye z'umusigiti abari muri iringi barabyumva turi cyebe icyebe uyu munsi ntabwo kiri busenge kandi bagomba kugifata kiri gusenga kuko iyo kiri gusenga nibwo kiba kitari kumwe n'abarinzi. Mana urabizi ibintu byo kwihisha tubireke tugifate ni abasore bari muri office hari abandi bana batojwe bari matango baca ni papa tango ba sergeant hirya no hino bagomba gukora akazi bimeze bite ari kumanuka umuhanda unyura mu isoko Katururi bana bafayo bimeze biti turi cyihebe buryo kiba kigenda mu gifite n'akawara atagifite na suna nasubiramo AK47 nizo ntwari bigiye bimurinze zifite abana bafayo ikicebe kigomba gutaha muri Amerika bimeze biti turabana nukuza wuna mukamenya ko mugenzi wawe nawe yitaguye umusaga n'iki muzamuka bimeze biti ndacyari Rocky ari gusohoka 5 4 3 2 bana do rimwe hey fire dorabana hey
Bring up the thermal imagery.
Mani muzana amashusho turebe bazana amashusho dora amasasu hey mwisoko cye baragishaka Tariki Kiebe Katurore bare sasu mwisoko shira modoka bagikurayo iki nicyo cyakoreraga Bin Laden bisasu bakinjiza mu modoka abari muri iringi barabireba umusore wacu ararashwe uyu yikangamo Bobby umusore wabo ararashwe bimeze bite
Hang on. I'm gonna check you out, man.
umusore yarashwe ararashwe gasani ibi nibyo uriya musore yavugaga ndetse n'umugore avuze ati umugabo wacu yagombaga gutaha ni we wamwohereje kuri misiyo aramutse agize icyaba twazavuga ko ari we wabiteye kuri telefone.
Charlie's been hit.
How bad?
Charlie yarashwe.
Out of blood, man. It doesn't look good.
yabuze amaraso menshi.
Rescue team?
Look, he'll be dead by the time they get here, JT.
abamufura bariye ikipe yakamufashije iri imbere ntago turayigeraho.
Fine. Shut up. Look, I'm gonna put him in the harness with the left.
Damira so mwana.
Whack this guy.
yabuze amaraso menshi.
Charlie's gonna die, JT.
Katururi. uyu ni abasore barwananye nawe kombe yakunino.
Let's go. We only got two.
we mugire je bana abandi Katururi mugenzi wabo yarashwe baratimbura. yeah yari kuva amaraso menshi sinzi ko yagira. Bobby,
can you hear me?
Bobby kunyumva?
I'm here, JT. A little busy.
ndakumva mwana.
What are you gonna do? You got
ikintu ugiye gukora rero.
Yeah, of course.
You got duct tape?
Anybody here got duct tape?
ufite sparadara.
Yeah, we got them both.
Duct tape.
Tariq in the harness, and you're gonna flex cuff Charlie to him. You got it?
Are you out of your mind? We'll never get him rigged up in time.
Just do what I say, Captain.
ugiye gukora ibyo ngubwiye ugiye gufata icyo cyebe indege yarishe kugitwara uzirike sparadara umuzirikanye n'uwo musore wakomeretse kuko indege igiye kuza mbere na mbere banze twari cyebe sasa baragira ngo indege niza yitwarure musore wakomeretse bahite bamuvura mbere kuko bategereje abandi basirikare bazazira byatinda. indege yaje indege ntabwo igomba guhagarara bimeze bite? yeah
Guys, come on.
yeah do barabasirikanije si paradara bose nta mikino barangije icyo bafashe hano bagishyira mu mwuka bagiye gukoresha system bita ngo ni phantom recovery system bimeze bite bakizamura mu kirere bano babasirikanije ikibe kira wa musore warashwe umwana uramera sawa kugira ngo bagerere mu ndege cyari mwe babavuri ubwenge bw'uriya musore ubundi indege yagomba gutwara ikibe gusa uyu musirikare agasigara ava amaraso none warabyanze aragira ngo nawe ajye mu ndege kuko indege urumva irimo ubuganga abaganga iri bikoresho indege ifayo nta guhagarara kuzi cyo ntabwo indege y'abandi yemerewe guhagarara mu gihugu cy'abandi bira mupanga uko yiboneye indege ifayo abana barareba indege ifayo yitonze nukuzi kabaroba phantom system recovery ivayo irabaroba bazamukana gutyo nta guhagarara hari umugozi ushobora gucika we dufite abasore babiri umwe muri bo ni uwacu bano bikangamo umwe muri bo ni uwacu ni babiri ikibe n'umusirikare wacu bimeze bite indege yarabatwaye aba bicaye muri iringi babyumva umusore wacu arategura ko indege yagomba gutwara ikibe gusa ariko yavuze ati reka batwaremo n'umuntu wakomeretse byibura mu ndege bari mu butabazi bw'ibanze ura musirikare bahite bamuvura byihuse imana impa amakuru we nk'umuntu uvuye ku rugamba vuba ababyumva ibibazo abana bari guhura nabyo ku rugamba ababizi kuri musore ashobora kuhatinda akava amaraso akaba yapfa abaganga bari kumuvura bageze mu ndege kare umugozi ugenda wikurura wikaraga mpaka mugeze mu ndege aho ni ugusenga ukavuga ati abasirikare b'abandi badapfa bari bagenzi be abazi ibibazo bahura nabyo aba yarabaye ku rugamba aba bibyumva neza cyane.
I just wanted to say thanks.
Nari nje gushimira.
What?
For helping me.
Shimira iki kuba wamfashije.
I didn't help you, Major. I helped the
ntabwo nagufashije nafashije misiyo yacu y'igihugu.
It would be a mistake.
Understood.
Sawa ndabyumva.
Major.
Major.
I hope your friend's okay.
Nizere ko inshuti zawe zimeze neza. Arabizi ziba zimuhangayikishije. Tuba twarababaranye mwana we nabyuzi. Twara baba yikanye hagize ipfa nyine babimubaraho famille. Niyo mpamvu yise yirwana uko ashobora musore yinjire mu ndege yakiri kare bamuvure. Yaje uyu musore akomeje gukora akazi kameze neza cyane. Kuvagera muri iringa ari gutanga umusanzu. Hari igihe umuntu aza mu kazi ukabona nta musanzu yatanze. Kumbe na yamato
Scuba team.
Ikibazo bagikemuye.
The screws to the next.
Kohereje scuba team.
Good thinking, Colonel.
Kora akazi. Watekereje neza Colonel. Pius niwe wazanye igitekerezo. Uyu mukobwa. Sergeant.
The Russians know we're on our way.
Reka Abarusiya tubamenyeshe ko turi mu nzira. Yeah.
Italian authorities are investigating.
Cya kibazo cy'amato cyari cyabaye nacyo cyakemutse. Kumbe arakwereka kuri no ibirori byo kwakira abavuye ku rugamba byarabaye. Uyu nawe yarabyitabiriye. Umusirikare yaje yakomeretse ariko byibura ntiyapfuye. Ni nawe wamwizaniye. We dore nguriya yaje yakomeretse ariko ntago yapfuye. Ibazi yapfa amarira y'aba bana n'uyu mugore uri hano ntago uriya musore reka uzabakira. JT wacu yakoze uko ashoboye atabarira igihe. Amwinjiza mu ndege kandi indege yagomba kujyana ikibe cyonyine. Aba yakoze uko ashoboye. Aba batekerereza nka mugenzi wabo. Umuntu nawe warabinyuzemo. Ibirori byo kwakira abasirikare bavuye ku mission. Abasirikare bose tuganira b'inshuti za nanjye ndi umusirikare. Ndiri matango bayidawe. Sinzi impamvu batavuga ngo bagiye kuri misiyo, bavuga ngo tugiye ku mission. Imana ibamugisha ndabakunda cyane. Ciao ciao.